Hello guys, I am here once again in my YouTube channel Jeshvick Zone. Guys, I hope you're doing well like me. And I am back with another unboxing exciting video for you guys. So without being late, like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below before opening the box. So here we are. Let's open this box guys and let's see what is inside of this. This box is very big guys. Very cool looking by the way. It's from Hamleys. Let's open it. I think open from here. Yep, I'm right. Let's open this part. Actually another box in there guys. Let's open this. Oh, another box. Oh my god. Let's open it. Whoa, I see ball. I see ball. Oh, very cool. It's like a basketball thing. Let's just put this on the side. Whoa, very cool. Guys, look at it. It's a picture. Wow, not bad. Now let's open it. Okay. Oh, I just took a part out. Whoa, I see something inside of there. It's the course. Guys, let's open it. Oh my god. Let's open these parts of cardboard. Get out. Whoa, guys, look. Isn't that cool? Whoa, very cool. Whoa, it's almost out. Oh my god, lots of things to put on. It looks like. Let's put this. Whoa, is there anything else? Yes, there's something in there. Oh, it's another goal. Let's see the instructions, guys, to make this. First step is to put this thing right here. It says, am I right? Yes, I am. But still, I will show you this football game. This button, right? If you click it, the doors will close and open. Look at the doors, right? And if you click both of the buttons, both of them will go off. And also the same side is over there. And guys, also if the ball is right here, right in here, then you have to click the button and the ball will just shoot to the other side. Like that. Guys, also there is some flags. I will put a India flag on which we are. Okay, which flag should I do? This flag goes to there. This flag goes to here. So I put this one instead. Hey, let's see. Yup, good enough. That is India, guys. Now what should I put? This Brazil. Oh my god. Let's do this part. Okay, I have now Brazil. Whoa. Why is Brazil not coming out? This is a different country, guys. And this is called Brazil. Let's put it on here. These are the two countries, guys. Look at them. You like these countries because we are right now in India. So India wins every single time. Wow. Guys, I finally found a extra ball. And now let's play. Oh wait, this thing fell off. Whoa. Let's put it back in. Yes, done. Let's do this. In 3, 2, 1, go. And what? Take this. Oh. Good for me.
I'm playing good.
Whoa. Oh yeah, you're playing very goodly. Whoa. This is a good shot, but not enough for me. What? You make a goal. Wow. Good job. There is 2 people required to play this game. You cannot play it alone or it will just be very boring. Whoa, good shot. That was pretty good. Okay, now let's start one more again. You cannot get me. Whoa, get me. The ball is stuck on your side. Can you just move it? Oh, good job. But not enough for me. Oh my god. Just hit it. Oh, how? You have 3 points. You're not even good in football. What? Whoa, you are very good in this kind of games. Oh, I got a goal. Wow. Not bad. I got 2 points right now and you have 1 point. Okay, let's see this. What? Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Let's see. In 3, 2, 1. Dead. No, not on my side. Wow, pretty good. Take that. Take that. Another shot is another shot. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see? Oh my god. Whoa. Take that. Oh my god. Guys, let's see if I can play alone now. No, it is not possible. If you hit it on the other side, it will just get stuck. Because there is a little bit of a hill. So that's why it cannot go. So that depends on only 2-player game. Now let's end this video. Wait for my next video. Till then, and bye bye.